Hi, my name is Lokesh and I'm a wildlife photographer based out of Bangalore, India. I have been doing wildlife photography for over 8 years now, and it's mostly mammals and birds that I click. It all started about in the year 2013 when I went to Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary, and instantly it clicked that this is what I wanted to do, this is my interest. And ever since then, this is more than a hobby for me. I mean, this is like a lifelong purpose. I want to do this just to make sure that, you know, people get to see the images and get to know a little bit about wildlife, their existence, and their conservation.
Forest Archives is a fine art coffee table book with over 200 of the most evocative and beautiful images. The story is set amid the pristine wildlife reserves of India, from the foothills of the Himalayan range to the valleys in the Western Ghats, with moments from the grassland of central India to the arid regions of the Gulf of Kutch.
The intention behind launching this Wishberry campaign is to raise funds for the book through your help. It is every photographer's dream to see his images on print, and this is my dream that I want to see the images that I have clicked over the last 8 years to be imprinted on this book. Through this book, I will be sharing a lot of images that are absolutely beautiful, and at the same time, I would be sharing my first-hand experience from my journey about the nature, its species, and their conservation.
With me on this project is a strong and dedicated team comprising of a content writer, a website developer, a design studio, and the publisher. This book will be a great collectible item for anyone interested in wildlife photography and is set to release around the mid of December.
Even if you do not choose to financially support this or back this project, I would be really grateful if you can at least speak to your friends, spread the word amongst your family, friends, colleagues, and if possible, do share the link of the project on your social media handles. It would definitely help me raise the amount of funds that I'm looking from this campaign, and definitely bring this book to life. Lastly, I would like to thank you all for taking out time from your busy schedules and watching this video.